find link account settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find link account settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click this three lines in the top corner and click settings, and here you will find the account. Click on it and click link account, and as you see here you can link your account with anything you want, your phone or your email or Facebook, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.